Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the TV actually supports Bluetooth. Many models differ. Once done, power the TV and grab the remote to open settings. This directs the TV to its connection options. Make sure your phone or headset is in visible pairing mode so the TV can detect it. This avoids wasted searching. You do this first because the TV and accessory must both broadcast and listen. Without that mutual visibility, pairing cannot begin. You navigate the menus. On many Hisense sets, go to Settings, then Remotes and Devices or Network and Accessories. Once there, select Bluetooth and choose Add Device or Scan for devices so the TV actively searches. Make sure the accessory stays in pairing mode and is within a few feet. Radio range and interference matter. While scanning, watch the on-screen list and understand that the TV is verifying identities and profiles before pairing to ensure audio or remote control works correctly. You select the accessory name on the TV and accept any PIN prompts. This completes the handshake. Once paired, test immediately, play audio or use controls and make sure TV audio output is set to Bluetooth if needed. If it fails, restart both TV and accessory, remove old pairings that may limit new connections, and update firmware because bugs often block Bluetooth. If problems persist, move devices closer and eliminate interference sources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.